Part 2 of vocabulary lesson Faisons un tour du monde. Let's go on a world tour. Les pays, les nationalités et les langues. Okay, in case the name of the language has been derived from the name of the country, then the name of the language is the same as the masculine nationality. C'est la deuxième partie. Allons-y. So the next continent that we have to look at is Europe. L'Europe, so a person is called European or European. Okay, let's start. La Russie is Russia. Nationality is Russe for masculine and feminine. The language Russian is also the same. Then the three Scandinavian countries, La Norvège is Norway. So Norwegian, Norwegian, okay, is the nationality. The masculine will also be the language Norwegian. Then Sweden is La Suède. Sweden, La Suède. Nationality is Suédois, Suédoise. Okay, language will also be Suédois, derives from the name Sweden. Swedish is the language in English. Okay, then the last country is Finland. There, Sulla Finland. Nationality becomes Finlande, Finlandes for female. The language Finnish will also be Finlande, derives from the name of the country. Okay, then England, l'Angleterre, okay, is England. Nationality Anglais, Anglaise. The language English comes from the word England. So Anglais, the masculine, also becomes the language English. Then France is called la France. Okay, language is Français because French comes from the word France. Nationalities are Français and Française. Scotland now is l'Écosse. Scotland, the country, is l'Écosse. Nationality Écossais, Écossaise. Okay, language Scottish will also be the masculine Écossais. Ireland, the country's name becomes l'Irlande. Nationality Irlandais, Irlandaise. The language Irish will also become the masculine Irlandais. Then Portugal, le Portugal, nationality Portugais, Portuguese. Language will also be the masculine Portuguese, Portugais. Spain, l'Espagne. Nationality is Espanol, Espanol with an E for the feminine. Language Spanish will be the masculine, Espanol. Italy, okay, country is Italy. Nationality is Italian, Italian. The masculine Italian will also be the language Italian. Greece is La Grèce. The country Greece, La Grèce. Nationality is Greek, and the feminine is also pronounced Grek, but with an extra Q-U-E. Okay, the language Greek will be the masculine Grek, G-R-E-C. Germany, okay, is l'Allemagne, country, Allemand and Allemande. Okay, excuse me, it's a little spelling mistake here. The masculine doesn't have an E. Okay, so A-L-L-E-M-A-N-D, and the feminine gets the extra E. Okay, the language German will also be the masculine Allemand without the E. Then Belgium becomes La Belgique. Okay, the country, language Belge. I'm sorry, the nationality Belgian is Belge. Okay, the masculine as well as feminine, there's no change. Now here they speak French and they speak a language called Flemish. Okay, Flemish does not come from the word Belgium, therefore there is no language here. Okay, Belge will only be the nationality. Then Les Pays-Bas are the Netherlands. Okay, Les Pays-Bas, Netherlands. The nationality is Neerlandais, Neerlandes. Okay, nationality. Then Poland is La Pologne, country, La Pologne. Nationality will be Polonais, Polonaise. Okay, the language will also be Polonais, masculine, the language Polish. Then Denmark will be La Denmark. Okay, nationality is Danois, Danoise. For Danish, the language Danish will also be the masculine Danois. Okay, so these are the European countries, and the last one, La Suisse, is Switzerland. This is interesting because the name of the country and the name of the nationality is the same. Okay, La Suisse is the country, Switzerland. The nationality, the Swiss people are also called Swiss. Okay, masculine, feminine, no change. Now the African countries, some of which are prominent French speakers, L'Afrique is Africa, Africa, Africaine. Okay. Now the African countries: Egypt, l'Égypte. The nationality is Egyptien, Égyptienne. Okay. Then South Africa is l'Afrique du Sud, South Africa, Africa of the South, and the nationality becomes Sud-Africain, Sud-Africaine. Okay, there is no language here because they speak many languages including English, Afrikaans, but that doesn't derive from the name of the country. Okay, so this is just the nationality: Sud-Africain, Sud-Africaine. Now the rest are all French speaking countries. So like Cote d'Ivoire, I'm sure you've heard of this, okay, in your football matches, is Ivory Coast. Okay, in English also it is Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. Nationality: Ivoirien, Ivoirienne. Okay, Ivorian. Then Algeria is l'Algérie. Nationality is Algerian, Algerian. There is no language here because they speak French, okay, and all these other 5 countries. Then Tunisia is La Tunisie. Nationality becomes Tunisian and Tunisienne. La Maurice is Mauritius, okay, the island. La Maurice. Nationality becomes Mauricien, Mauricienne. Okay, these are all French speaking countries, so there is no specific language. The language remains Francais. Then Morocco is Le Maroc. Okay, nationality is Marocain, Marocaine, Moroccan. Okay, so these are the African countries, and the last continent is l'Australie, which is Australia, same as the country. So l'Australie, Australien, Australian. No language here because they speak English. And last, New Zealand is La Nouvelle-Zélande, New Zealand, La Nouvelle-Zélande. Okay, nationality is Neo-Zealandais and Neo-Zealandese. Okay, again there is no language here because they speak English and Maori. Okay, not derived from the name of the country. So we've done a lot of countries, lots of languages, lots of nationalities. Hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.